We were very looking forward to this day. In fact, we booked in February already, so one of the first, I believe. We were here last year. It was so much fun, so well organized that I booked again. Then I looked up for my crew, and everybody is excited to be here. Many restaurants, you have great locations to visit. That's nice.
Give me all of your lies, 'cause you're my demon in disguise. I learned to love the cage you keep me in, but the walls keep closing in. And I don't wanna die, but your poison feels so right. But do I want you when you're bad for me? My perfect storm, my beautiful catastrophe.
There was no wind today, so we have a lots of motor hours over, but I think tonight will be better than at the cook-off and the tasting of drinking with the friends, meeting again with other crews from several years ago, so we will be happy to taste it and dancing perhaps.